वाळपय आनी पणजे पोटनिवडणुकेचो निकाल शांततायेन आनी बरे तरेन जालो. सगळ्यांनी आपले काम कायदो आनी मर्यादेंत रावून पुराय केला. तशेंच राजकीय पक्ष आनी गोंयचे जनतेन बरो प्रतिसाद दिला अशें जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मोहनन हिणें सांगलां. पणजेच्यान आरडेक्स खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार.
The entire election process went on very smoothly and eventfully. And to begin with, I would like to first of all thank all the team members of team election of AC 11 Panjim and 19 Valpoi. Both the returning officers are also here of Panjim and Valpoi. My special thanks goes to Srimati Chandan Chaudhary, SP North Goa, for unstinted support and cooperation throughout the process. Also, I would like to thank both our general observers and our expenditure observer. Similarly, I would also extend heartfelt thanks to all the political parties, candidates for abiding by all the instructions and ensuring that there was full compliance with the directives of the Election Commission of India. Also, thanks of course goes to all the public and voters of 11 Panjim and 19 Valpoi. My thanks is also extended on behalf of the Chief Election Officer Goa. CEO Goa has told me to convey his thanks also. Thanks also to the media for your support throughout the entire process of the election. As you are aware, today in the counting we had about 100 staff from the side of the RO and the DU to conduct the counting. Security personnel were there in full force. The CPF was mainly in charge of the security inside the counting hall, but the local police was fully in charge of the security just immediately outside the building as well as the outer perimeter of the building. Security forces were also deployed in adequate numbers today.